Ready na ba to learn how to register sa Involve Asia? Okay, so what we will do now is I'm gonna help you register sa Involve Asia, and then you just have to follow what I do, okay? So what I click, you also click, and you just have to listen to my instruction, and and then after that, pwede na kayong mag-start na mag-promote ng mga brands or partner with uh, e-commerce platforms like Lazada and Shopee. Okay. But before that, let's talk muna about what is affiliate marketing. So some are asking if it's a scam. So if you search on affiliate marketing, it's already been in the market, no? Baka tayo lang yung mga hindi nakakarinig sa affiliate marketing. But I've been an affiliate marketer matagal na, pero hindi lang very active. So ngayon, na-prove ko na si Involve Asia is a very good affiliate marketing company na may makaka-help talaga sa finances natin. So, what is affiliate marketing? It's actually when you say affiliate, it's just it's a partnership. So, you have to be partners with brands or e-commerce platform, and then market their products. So, in short, you have to promote their products basically sa page mo. So, you really need to have a page where you can promote your products. And then, so, yung goal natin as affiliate marketer is to really promote and have conversions. So, when we say conversions, it means that nabibili yung pinopromote nating product. So, kung walang benta, walang commissions. Okay? So, kailangan maging creative sa pagpo-post. And then, who is Involve Asia? So, Involve Asia is actually a company na nag-i-invite ng mga partners or mga brands, e-commerce platforms, and also affiliate marketers like us para, syempre, bumongga yung business. Okay? So it's a give and take relationship. Involve Asia is partnering with brands, and they also invite affiliates like us para may mag-promote na mga brands na yon. Okay, so without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay everyone, let's start the video tutorial. So first of all, you have to click on the link I gave you. So i-copy lang natin, tapos lagay natin sa okay. Let me use a new browser. Okay, paste. And then dapat ganito yung lalabas sa page or sa window nyo. Okay. First of all, you have to put your name. So, lagay nyo lang dyan yung name nyo. And your last name. So, dapat correct yung mga entries nyo. And then, account display name. So, it's up to you what you want. How your name should be displayed on your account. So, let's say, Cheras Shop. And then, you have to put in your email. And then your phone number, of course. And your password. So you have to create a password na madali lang i-memorize. So there's a suggestion here na password must have at least 8 characters and contain at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. So let's try that one. New password must not contain your account name, company name, or email address. Ooh. Sige. Right. And okay, so ayan na. Okay, so here, property details. Most of you has a problem here. So, ano ba yung dapat gawin dito sa property details? Okay, yung property URL, this should be your URL sa Facebook page mo, okay? So, if you don't have a Facebook page, then you need to make one right now. So, let's try my other page. I have many pages, so I can use those. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so you just have to click on your URL. Yun lang naman. Okay. Ayan. So you have to copy that. Oh, okay. You have to copy the URL. Let's try this one. Okay. Copy. And then we are going to paste that one here sa property URL. And then of course, the property display name. So ano bang name ng Facebook page mo? Okay. Ghostwriter. Okay. So sa property type ay pwede mo nang hindi na i-change yun. You can choose influencer. And what does your property promote? So let's say fashion. Okay. And of course, country traffic from the Philippines. Pag tapos na to, you just have to click on agree. Okay? So, and then, create account ka na. So, pag naka-create ka na ng account, next thing you will do is, you have to verify your email. So, you have to go to your Gmail. Ayan. Okay. So, I hope I can still remember this one. Okay, very good. So, kailangan mo lang yung i-verify. And then, if you are good to go, ayan, pasok ka na. So, find natin yung involve Asian na verification here. So, all you need to do is click on the link they gave you. And then here. So, nasa dashboard ka na ng Involve Asia. So, i-click natin yung dashboard access. And then, try na natin kung, okay, so, this is actually this is where you can work already. But before you can work, you have to apply first to companies and brands na gusto mong i-promote. So, if you look at here, your property ghostwriter is being reviewed. So, please allocate up to 48 hours for approval. So, kailangan mo lang maghintay ng approval ni Involve Asia kung okay ba yung property mo or yung page mo. Okay, so after that, yung gagawin natin is you have to update your billing details. Okay, this one. So, i-click mo yung update details kasi dito papasok yung sweldo mo or yung mga commissions mo. Okay, so there are two options. You can have wire transfer or PayPal, but if you have a PayPal, much better. So, PayPal lang yung pipiliin natin. And, syempre yung name ng what's your PayPal name? So, let's try ganyan. So, hindi ko na ito ipapasok kasi naka-update na yung mga billing details ko. And then, your PayPal email. So, just for example, kung yan ba yung ginagamit mo. So, yan. So, i-enter mo lang yan sa mga box. Okay, beneficiary contact number. So, ilagay mo yung number na naka-sync sa PayPal mo. Okay? So si Involve Asia is actually giving us Malaysian ringgit. So, yan lang ang option, no other option. So, transfer reason. So, pwede mo ilagay dyan na receive payment or receive salary. Okay? Sige, receive salary na lang. Okay, so if you're done here, then you can save changes. Okay, so that's basically it, yung pagre-register sa Involve Asia. Okay. So I think
that would be all para sa registration ng Involve Asia.
Alright, so, may na-learn ba sa pagre-register? Okay, I hope nakapag-register kayo at the same time, okay, while I was doing the registration. So, I'm also going to upload a video where you can also promote your links. So, from that, makaka-earn na kayo. So, it's also up to you how you're going to promote yourself or involve Asia itself. So, if you have questions, you can comment your questions and we can answer those questions. So, for now, bye-bye and good luck, mommies!